Okay, on that is a global market action that we have for you all this morning. But how will the overnight cues impact the Indian market? We have a team of research joining in with us to set you up for trade, tell you which are the important stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Vivek as well as Sudarshan, very good morning. Vivek, starting with you. Yesterday, we did see that subduedness coming in the market. Not a green coming in after 7 days, 8 days of that positive sign. Today also seems like a muted trade day coming in for the Indian markets.
Good morning, Winnie. Absolutely right. So, that's what we need to keep an eye out for. Also, remember the kind of handover that we received as far as US markets are concerned, not very encouraging as we start off the day. The US markets ended in a negative territory. Nasdaq actually ended more than 2% lower yesterday. And on the other hand, oil prices actually gained over 1%. Brent ended near the $73.8 a barrel mark. And like you mentioned yesterday, both the Nifty as well as the sensex, like you mentioned, snapped a 7-day winning streak, seeing profit booking at high levels. And in fact, both Nifty as well as the sensex cooled off quite significantly after the opening highs. The mid-cap and small-cap index, continued to see a fall for the second straight session, and advanced decline ratio was quite muted, especially in the broader end of the markets. Now, day before yesterday, you did see IT stocks outperform quite significantly. Yesterday, that entire outperformance was reversed, and in fact, IT pack was amongst the weakest yesterday. Advanced decline ratio largely in favor of the declines, and yesterday one stock that stood out was Siemens. This was on the back of the fact that the company received the NCLT nod for the energy business demerger. But today is a very important session. There is quite a lot that is expected to, quite a lot of events that are lined up. First is, remember, it's the expiry session. Along with that, you also have to keep in mind that the Nifty rejig that is effective tomorrow, you will actually see the flows coming in today's trading session. And along with that, there will be the overhang of tariffs, especially as far as the auto sector is concerned. GIFT Nifty as well as Asian markets indicating a subdued start for our markets.
Okay, Vivek, thank you so much for that. Keeping an eye out on how the Indian markets open and trade. But which are the important stocks to watch out for in today's trading session? Sudarshan is here to give us that list. Good morning, Sudarshan.
Good morning, Winnie. So first up, auto companies will be in focus because US President Donald Trump has signed auto tariffs. Tariff will be imposed that would be of 25%. It will be effective April 2. Second is Infosys. Company expects refund of rupees 2,950 crore from Income Tax Department, and this is for the assessment years of FY17 and FY20. Wipro has announced mega deal of £500 million, and this is a 10-year deal with UK's Phoenix Group. Ashok Leyland, its EV arm switched mobility to close switch UK's manufacturing and assembly units, and companies say it's because of slow transition to EVs in public transport in both UK and Europe. HUL has appointed Rajneet Kohli as Executive Director of Foods Business. For Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv has converted warrants into equity shares of Bajaj Finance, and post the conversion, its holding has risen to 51.39%. BSE to consider bonus shares on March 30th. NBCCI signed MOU with Mahatma Phule Renewable Energy and Infrastructure Technology, and this order value is seen at 25,000 crore and will be executed over 3 to 5 years. UPL has sold 8.93% stake in Advanta Enterprise to Alpha Wave for 2,150 crore rupees. Max Financial, as per sources, promoter Max Ventures may sell 1.6% stake in the company via block deals today. And for JB Chemicals, KKR is likely to sell 10.2% stake in company via block deals, and for this offer price is 16.25 per share, which is a discount of nearly 5% to current market price.
Okay, Sudarshan, thank you so much for that. But on that note, we're going to step into a very short break. On the other side, we'll focus on the developments revolving around the White House. So stay tuned in for that.